Alright, speech students, I hope all is going well. I just wanted to welcome you all back to another unit of distance learning. One thing to note is that if you are maybe a little bit behind on a speech or have yet to submit one, please note that I have made these folders accessible for you. Alright. This folder will launch here on May 4th, although May 4th is technically not a school day. If you wanted to get a head start, you certainly may do that on Monday, May 4th. But let's get into this unit and kind of talk through what we're going to be doing. Alright, so here we have our normal distance learning expectations. I posted our Friday morning coffee discussion chats here, which I'll get to in a little bit. But we have this introduction video that I'm actually making right now, and then we have our daily learning, speech distance learning daily checklist, and our instructions for week 6 and 7, okay? Please pay close attention to these two things. The Google Doc form of this is going to be a little bit more detailed, but please note that in our instructions, I give and try to give, specific what you should be doing each day so that this doesn't become overwhelming for you. And also note that I have our Google Meet link right here, and I am on every Tuesday from 10 to 10:30 a.m. and every Thursday from 2 to 2:30. And if those times don't work, please make sure to let me know and I can set up an additional time. Okay, so for our Friday morning coffee discussion, okay, these are mandatory, all right? This is taking the place of in-class discussions, and there's only been 3 students out of the 9 of you that have been showing up. So please start coming on to these. We're just, I don't know if you've talked to any of the students that have been showing up, but what we do is we literally just sit and we discuss what's going on in the world. We collaborate in group conversations, all right? That's something that, I try to teach in this class. Now, obviously, we can't do it in person, but I don't think it's so hard to hop on Google Meet for 30 minutes. So please hop on here and let me know if you're not able to make it for whatever reason ahead of time, please. Okay. Real easy kind of unit here. All right, we are going to be practicing, how to conduct ourselves in a formal setting. So you're going to watch and view these formal interviewing narrated notes, and then you'll probably just need to click on these notes just to open them up, because it's just a copy if you need to refer back to and don't want to hear my voice. But basically what we're going to be doing is you're going to be working on answering these generic interview questions. Now there are 25 of them. So this makes a copy of it for you. You just open it up and work on your answers. And I have posted an example if you want to see the kind of depth that I'm looking for. Okay, so you just answer these questions, and these are things that should be truthful and relevant to you. They should be answers that you would prepare and could possibly use in a formal interview. So once you're finished with that, you're going to submit them, and then you will be able to view the formal interview speech requirements. Now, I'm not going to go through this and click and show you, but there are basically, you have the option of doing one of 3 things for this speech. So make sure that you get these questions answered in a timely manner, and then you can kind of spend the second week of this unit reading through the 3 options that you have to do your formal interview final speech. But just know that there are options here, and I'm on Google Meet if you have any questions, okay? Please reach out to me and let me know if you need anything, and I look forward to for sure seeing you all on our Friday morning coffee discussion on Friday the 8th. Hope you're all doing well. Take care.